Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm gonna cut my grass with this machine Greenworks. It's 36V 3-in-1 19-inch. Let's see how it will cut all this grass. Grass is about some like 10 inches and some like 6. It's like a really long grass. So let's see. It will be like before and after. And in another video I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery for this machine. Yeah, the grass got really long. We'll see how this machine will do the job. I hope it will be great. Yeah, that's how this machine looks like. Yeah, and I got a real big yard, so I would need to cut a lot. So we'll see. Okay, bye guys.